In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use VLOOKUP with choose function in Microsoft Excel. If you've ever needed VLOOKUP to pull a value from a column to the left of your lookup column, you know it refuses to do that out of the box. Today, I'll show you a clean workaround using choose to build a virtual table on the fly so VLOOKUP behaves exactly how you need. Open your Excel workbook and head to the sheet where you want the result. In this example, imagine you have names in column B, the matching IDs in column A, and the name you're searching for stored in cell E2. Click the cell where you want the ID to appear and start by typing the function like this: VLOOKUP E2. That first argument tells Excel what you're looking for, which is the value in E2. Instead of selecting a normal table for the second argument, we'll create one virtually using choose. Type choose /1 and pause. Those curly braces define a two-column structure. The first column is 1 and the second is 2, and we're about to specify which ranges fill those columns. Now, select your lookup column first, which is the names range B2, B10, then type a comma and select your return column, the IDs in A2, A10. It should read choose /1 B2, B10, A2, A10. This tells Excel to temporarily build a two-column table where the first column is names and the second is IDs, effectively flipping their original positions so VLOOKUP can work left to right. Close the choose with a right parenthesis to finish that part. At this point, your formula looks like of lookup E2, choose 1, 2s, B2, B10, A2, A10. To complete VLOOKUP, add a comma, then 2, then another comma, and finally false, and close the parenthesis. The finished formula is equals VLOOKUP E2 choose 1002's B2 B10's A2 A10 2 false. The 2 tells Excel to return the second column of our virtual table, which is the ID, and false requests an exact match so you don't accidentally return a near miss. Press enter and you should see the matching ID for the name in E2. If you plan to fill this down, consider converting your ranges to absolute references like B2, B10 and A2 at $10 so the ranges don't shift as you copy. Also, make sure both ranges are the same size and perfectly aligned by rows. Any mismatch will cause errors or incorrect results. If your data includes extra spaces, clean them in the source columns first to ensure exact matches. That's it. With choose creating a left to right view of your data, VLOOKUP can return values from a column that originally sat to the left without rearranging your sheet.